Hi guys, welcome to another video of website tutor. Today I will teach you how to create a simple button or a form in HTML. So let's get started. Open Visual Studio Code. Control N for new file. As per routine, type HTML. Control S. Let's save it. Save it with name lecture7.html. Let's close the HTML tag. And this HTML tag we have to type a title. If you don't want to give any title, you can proceed with body also. I will type here YouTube lecture. And now body. First, I'll tell you how to create a simple button. When we move forward to Bootstrap, we create different button with different styles. But in HTML, we create a simple button. For creating a button, I have to create tag, open a tag of button, and let's style it. In style, I will give it a simple width. A simple width of 170 pixels. If you did in percentage, the button will be very large, and whatever you want to type, you will type here. I'll type register. Let's save it. Open the directory where you saving the file. Select and open it in Chrome. Let me show this. You can see a register button here. Now we have to create a form. Let's minimize this, and in body tag, open a tag of form. In form, I will type label. Label is a specific word which we have to answer in a form. Just like I'll type username or name, whatever you want. I am typing name. And after the label, we have to type input. Input tag, and we have to give it a type. Input type is used for apply a specific condition on this line, where user have to answer that type will be text, number, password or email. In input type, we have to use that four type: text, number, password and email. Now for name, we will use text. Give it a placeholder. Placeholder is an area where user can answer their info. Tag close and break tag. for typing on other line. If I simple did enter, in Visual Studio Code we use a new line, but in Chrome we are on same line. If we want to break a line, we have to give it a tag of BR for break. Now label, I'm copying this for shorting the time of video, but you please type all practice. In this I will using father name and copy this as well. Text placeholder will be remain same, and here father name. And now again label. After this remove the father name and give it email. As I tell you, first input type has 4 types: text, number, password or email. I will show you all. Change here the text with email, and here also enter your email. And now text will be done, email done. The left type is password or number. Just remove the email and type password. In label and input type, you can copy a whole line with tapping 3 times on your laptop's mouse. In type, move this and type password. Here's also. And now copy it again and type, remove this password, type number. Remove this password type and give it number. User can type in number, age, phone number and everything. Let's save it. Now first we have to create a button. Give it a style. First we use 170 pixels. Now we can use a different number, just like 200 pixels. Now close this and login. Sorry, we had an error in it. We can't type either width. as we tried first 200 pixels. Control S and save it. Open Chrome, refresh it, and now you can see name, enter your name. Father name, enter your father name. Email, password, number. As I type here, just like father name, in email I am typing a dummy email. Then password. When I type password, anything, you can see the password is not showing. Just type. It's because of I type password in input text and number. You can see a numeric digit is adding. When I try to type English, it's not typing. Now if I remove password from input type, I'll type here text. Control S and Chrome. Just typing password. You can see password is showing now. Now again minimize this and change text with password. Now if we remove this, enter your email, placeholder will show, but open Chrome and refresh it. You can see email but nothing in it. If you want an empty placeholder, you can type like that, but if you want to enter a text here, so you can type like this. Now if I want form in center, I have to style this with align, and now enter inverted commas center. Let's save it, open Chrome and refresh it like this. The form is in center. Register button remains left because register button is on other line when we started form. If we also want to register button in center, we have to select this file, Ctrl X shortcut and Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl S save, open Chrome, refresh it, and you can see register, but register button and name label is on same line. We have to give a break tag here. You can see the button and the label is on different line on Chrome, on here Visual Studio Code, but in same line in Chrome. Now refresh and you can see register is up and name is down. I hope you like this video. If you really like this, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for more videos. You can also like my Facebook page, link in description. For any queries and questions, you can also type in comment box or just inbox me. Thank you.